Hello, my name's Lucy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke satin dark grey alloy wheels, really complementing the Carpathian grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. You also have a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And once we open up the boot, you can see that this vehicle does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. And when those rear seats are down, you can see that you have a huge amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that 5th passenger. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 28,078 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, along with your terrain response drive modes. Both these features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain, and helping furthermore, you do in fact have an electronic air suspension, whether this is to raise the vehicle for those off-road conditions or lower it. On your 360 view camera, you also have an off-road feature. The 3D view allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control. This has been a presentation on the Land Rover Defender 110 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.